Are you busy, but not productive? Do your days feel full, yet unfocused? Welcome to Equip City, where we help you build your life by design. Subscribe for more practical personal growth insights. Most people are busy every day, yet many feel stuck. They move constantly, but they do not move forward. This is because busyness and productivity are not the same thing. Busyness is activity. Productivity is progress. Productivity begins with intention. When you live without intention, your day controls you. Messages decide your schedule. Interruptions shape your focus. Urgency replaces importance. Intentional living means deciding in advance how your time will be used. Brian Tracy teaches that productivity is not about doing more things. It is about doing the right things. When actions are not connected to a clear outcome, effort is wasted. Intentional people plan before they act. They choose direction before motion. They decide what matters most. Here is a simple strategy. Before your day begins, ask one question. What is the one thing that would make today successful? This single decision creates focus. Awareness is the first step to change. Today, track how you spend your time for 24 hours. Not to judge yourself, just to observe. When intention leads, productivity follows. Thank you for choosing Equip City. If this helped you, subscribe for more practical personal growth insights.